Ninjaman, wife, kids, career, net worth and future exposed. Yo, what's up? Welcome to an explosive deep dive into the life of Ninjaman, Jamaica's legendary dancehall DJ. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay locked in for more iconic artist profiles. Today, we're uncovering Ninjaman's personal life, career highs, net worth, and what's next for the Don Gorgon. Let's dive in. Born Desmond John Ballentine on January 24, 1966, in Annotto Bay, Jamaica, Ninjaman, aka Don Gorgon, is a dancehall icon known for his stuttering delivery and controversial lyrics. Moving to Kingston at 12, he began DJing at 14 with Black Culture sound system as Double Ugly, later joining Killamanjaro and learning from Supercat and Early B. His bold style made him a dancehall pioneer. Ninjaman's personal life is private but notable. He's married to a Jamaican social worker passionate about community development, though her name remains undisclosed. She's been a supportive partner, navigating fame's challenges with him. Ninjaman is a father to 33 children with 32 different women, as confirmed by confidante Stacey Scarlett Bryan in 2022, a fact that sparks public fascination and reflects his complex family dynamics. His career spans decades, with hits like Protection, 1987, with Courtney Melody, Murder Dem, and Permit to Bury, cementing his badman image. Known for theatrical performances, he earned the title Original Gold Teat, Front Teat, Gun Pawn Teat Don Gorgon. Ninjaman appeared in films like Third World Cop, 1999, and Rude Boy, The Jamaican Don, 2003. A 2003 clash with Vybz Kartel at Sting turned violent but was resolved. In 1997, as Brother Desmond, he briefly embraced gospel reggae, overcoming crack cocaine addiction through Christianity. His 2017 murder conviction for Ricardo Johnson's 2009 death led to a life sentence, with parole possible after 25 years. Ninjaman's net worth is estimated at $1 to $5 million in 2025, derived from music, film roles, and performances, with an annual income of about $70,644. His wealth supported a luxurious lifestyle, though incarceration limits current earnings. His charitable work in Annotto Bay, like community support, adds depth to his legacy. Looking to 2025, Ninjaman's future is uncertain due to his imprisonment. Eligible for parole in 2042, he may release music remotely, as Vybz Kartel did. His influence on artists like Kartel and Capleton endures, and younger DJs may revive his style. Post-release, he could return to performing or mentoring. That's Ninjaman's story. What's your favorite track? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.